Hello everyone, in this figure we can see that there is a circle with center O and diameter length is given 12 unit and length of this AG is given 8 unit and BC is tangent to the circle. Then we have to find the length of this tangent BC. So how we can find the length of this BC? You can try, otherwise watch solution completely. To find this, first I will connect G to B. Now we can see that AGB is a triangle, and which type of triangle? This is right angle triangle. Here is right angle triangle. Why? Because triangle made in circle with diameter is always right angle triangle. So that is why this is a right angle triangle and this is also right angle triangle. So we can write here in triangle AGB, we can write using Pythagoras theorem BG is square equal to AB square. AB is the hypotenuse here minus AG square. We can write AB in place of 12. So 12 square minus AG is given 8. So 8 square 144 minus 64, which is equal to 80. So we can write BG equal to under root 80. 80 can be written as 16 into 5. That is, we can write BG equal to 4 root 5 unit. Okay. Now after that we calculate here. Actually BG is 4 root 5. So we can write in triangle AGB and triangle BGC, both will be similar triangle. Why both will be similar triangle? You can see that if we consider this angle as a theta, then this angle will be 90 minus theta. In same way, this angle will be theta and this angle will be 90 minus theta. So we can see that triangle AGB and triangle BGC are similar triangle using angle. Okay. So using similar properties, we can write BC over AB. Actually, opposite to 90 degree is what BC here in this triangle, and also in triangle AJB opposite to 90 degree is AB, and AB is given 12 unit. So I am writing 12, and opposite to this 90 minus theta angle in triangle BGC is this BG. So we can write 4 root 5, and opposite to this 90 minus theta in triangle AGC is AG. So it is given 8 unit. So we can write here 4 2s and 2 6s. So we can write BC equal to 6 root 5. So 6 root 5 will be the required answer for this question. So thanks for watching this video and please like, share and subscribe this channel also.